go. That's a flame.
Alright guys, so I just got the stock wheel trim out. As you can see, T20 Torx, T20 Torx. There's one there too, a couple there. That's what the stock one looks like. And then here's the carbon fiber. Really nice. I like how it came out, nice finish. And then here's the interior trim. Wrapped fully. Came out really nice in my opinion. A little dark there, but you guys can see it. So let's throw it in the car. So now we're in the car. Just whipping on my phone, get some flash. As you can see, I got all the trim removed. The front console, I left the hazards and the DTC and start button on there. I got the center console removed too. I still left the shifter on because I ran out of carbon wrap, but I'm probably just gonna spray paint it black or something. We'll see, it's just a shifter. And this is the steering wheel, guys. It looks so trippy. Here, let me put my phone down. Here's the buttons.
What's going on, guys? So just putting in the M Sport Performance carbon fiber steering wheel.
If I didn't mention, it's the
God.
T20 Torx, guys. Alright, guys. It actually transformed the wheel, guys. I don't know. To me, it looks like a brand new wheel. I haven't driven with it yet because it's nighttime. It's like 12 o'clock, but that's what it looks like, guys. Probably get some more shots tomorrow when there's light. Still haven't done the trim yet though. Alright guys, so now I'm going to take out these side door panels because as you can see I did a really shitty job on them, so I just want to get them out and make it look all nice with the fresh one I'm about to throw in. So if you guys don't know how to do this, get one of these. It's like a little plastic pry tool if you don't want to ruin it, and you just literally follow along the edges until you hear the clicks. Go along the bottom, and then yeah, see, it all should pop out, and then there'll be another one down here, and that's how you guys get it up. Now that the cold start kind of just quiet down, I'll show you guys what the interior looks like. Let me just flip the camera. Just put that down. And I got the e-brake, guys. I pinned it up, so pull it, drops right away like a hydro. It's not really a hydro, but like just messing around for the drifts. As you can see, still haven't put these back in. Guys, I'm fucking too lazy to wrap it, so I think I'm just gonna spray paint it black, kind of like what I just did with the shifter. I think it'll look clean. You guys will see that in a later video once I put them in. But I'm gonna go for a little cruise right now. I'll get some clips of me cruising, and I'm gonna show you guys some drifts right now. It's a little bonus clip. If you guys like it, it's been Dujo, guys. I'm out. Peace. We got all the carbon in. Shift knob painted black. Steering wheel in. That looks crazy good.
That's how you try and shift it out. That was sick.